Go, same method, but I don't get there quick enough. He gets around me instead. Now it's hard because you've got pads on, you can't grab. So you just have to simulate the throw. Okay, so he starts rotating you and you go, yeah, fine, and go down. He gets in on top of you. Alright, cover your head. Alright, so you go back to the very first one, or the brown belt one, where you stood up. And when the punch came, you went 1, 2. Yes? What you can do standing up, you can do on your back. So when this one comes, you go 1, 2. Yeah? Grab hold and give him a pull. And it will come down, and that will be smack. Okay? Then the other one comes, just to practice the other side. Same side stops it, gets underneath, grabs it, and then we hit the pad. 1, 2. Right? Grab hold, hips to the sky, force them back. Once you pick an arm, this one or this one, choose. You go on the outside, you pull the arm in, you use your C grip underneath the armpit of the opposite arm, push your hips to the sky again, roll. Come up, head, 1, 2. Job done. Got it? Push. Here we go. What did you get? Simple. It's more than it is. Same entry. Same entry. He beats you. Down. Throws you down. Down. Pins in on the top. Cover. Pause. Don't do that all day. We'll be there forever. Okay? At some point he's going to throw a punch. Cover it. Take it. Punch the other pad. Practice the other side. Cover it. Take it. Punch the pad. Grab hold. Hips up. Doesn't work unless you put hips up. He stops himself from going. Take a limb. Other armpit. Force it up. Hips up. You're going over there because he's got no support. And you're in. Cover. Come up and job done. Got it? Go.